Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make slime with no glue, and this is an overnight recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so now that we've waited overnight, as you can see, the pen thingy is like kind of dry, but what you're gonna do is you're going to mix in all the bubbles, and now it's like finally clear. Okay guys, so we're gonna pop this into the freezer for 5 minutes, and it's currently 1:13. Okay guys, it's 1:19 now, and it's been 5 minutes, maybe 6, but we're just gonna take this out of the freezer and start mixing. Okay guys, once you've took it out of the freezer, you're going to pour in some salt, and I didn't add this in the ingredients, but this is just a necessity that you'll need after you take it out of the freezer. And you're going to start mixing it, and as you can see, it's really thick and it just starts to clump up into like slime. So it's super easy. Definitely try it out guys. Please give this video a like and also subscribe down below to be part of the Panda fam. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!